Understanding dilations, lesson 20, notes, example number 4. Trapezoid WXYZ shows the blueprint for the seats in an outdoor amphitheater. The architect dilates the trapezoid by the scale factor of 1/3 to show where the sound equipment should be located. Sketch the figure that represents where the sound equipment should be located. So it says that the scale factor is 1/3. Is 1/3 greater than 1 or less than 1? Is this going to be an enlargement or is it going to be a reduction? Well, think about this. What's already drawn there is the blueprint of the amphitheater. They want to know where the sound equipment should go. So that means it's going to be smaller. It's going to be a reduction, and our scale factor is less than 1. So our scale factor is 1/3, which means it will be a reduction. All right, again, I cheated, I know. So as we're going through these, if you need to ever pause to get caught up, just pause the video to do so. Okay, so let's find our image coordinates. So our scale factor is 1/3, which means I'm going to multiply each of the coordinates of the pre-image by 1/3. So I'm going to take -6 times 1/3, 3 times 1/3, 6 times 1/3, 3 times 1/3, 9 times 1/3, -6 times 1/3, -9 times 1/3, -6 times 1/3. All right. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. By the way, guys, don't forget you should have arrows here because we're going from pre-image to image. And then here you should have equal signs. Okay, so -6 times 1/3 would be -2. 3 times 1/3 would be 1. So W prime is at -2, 1. 6 times 1/3 is 2. 3 times 1/3 is 1. So X prime will be located at 2, 1. 9 times 1/3 is 3. -6 times 1/3 is -2. So Y prime will be located at 3, -2. For Z prime, -9 times 1/3 is -3. -6 times 1/3 is -2. So Z prime will be located at -3, -2. I'm going to erase my lines now. Okay, so now let's plot those points. -2, 1 is W prime. +2, 1 is X prime. 3, -2 is Y prime. Got the prime on the X. And -3, -2 is Z prime. Now we're going to connect our points. And that is where W prime, X prime, Y prime, Z prime should be located. That is where the sound equipment should be located. If you have any questions on example number 4, please do not hesitate to ask.